the session and let me share the screen. Right, sorry guys, sorry for the disturbance. Right, okay, fine. So right, so if you run this query sp underscore help db, it will tell you how many databases are there in your SQL server, what is the size of the each database, okay, what is the size of the each database, who is the owner of the each database, okay, and the compatibility levels and all you can see. Now run the query all text, okay, you can see the name, database name, okay, these are the databases I have currently, and this is the database size, you can see the size, and you can see the owner here, right? I just created employee database. You can see the owner as administrator. Using administrator connection, I have created the database, right? So I can see owner as administrator. And for sales database, owner as administrator. For student database, administrator is the owner. Okay. For other system databases, if you see, you can see the owner as SCA. Okay. Now I want to change the owner. Okay. You can see the database states also. All the databases are in online. Sometimes you can see the databases states would be different. Some databases will be online, some databases will be offline, some databases will be in restoring state, some databases will be in read-only state, some databases will be in suspect state, some database will be in emergency state, some database will be in single user mode, some database will be in multi-user mode. Depends upon your requirement. Most of the databases will be online only, but these are the different states of the databases. Okay, clear? You can see the database state. Sometimes you cannot believe the management studio. In case of the database is corrupted also, it will show you good only. See, if you see a database like this in the brackets without any name, that means the database is online. If you see, let me put the database offline. Okay, how to put the database offline? Right click, tasks, take offline. Okay, now if you see, if you click OK, the database will be offline. See, in the brackets it will show you the state offline. Okay, in the brackets it will show you the state as a offline. Okay, right, in the same way in the brackets you can see single user mode, you can see standby mode, you can see emergency, you can see different modes also. Okay, like these are the very important modes. Okay, offline, emergency mode, single user mode, suspect mode, and standby mode. You can see different states, but the common state is the database should be online, then only, okay, your application will work fine. How to bring the database online? Right click, tasks, as it is already online, you can see take offline option will be highlighted. If it is offline, bring online will be highlighted. You have to simply click on bring online so that the database will be online. Yes, any questions please?
Yeah. What are the situations where we have to take the data offline?
Usually we won't take the database offline. Okay, sometimes if the server is rebooted and all, some databases won't come online. Okay, so the database will be in offline. There are some situations,
Right.
if the applications are not using the database, they will request us to put the database in the offline state. In such situations we are going to keep the database in a offline state. There are other situations also, we are going to do database restores. While doing the database restore, we'll keep the database state as a offline state. Before restoring, usually the database state should be offline. These are some scenarios the database will be in offline. But if the database is offline, application won't work. If the server is offline or if the database is offline, application won't work. If the application should work
Uh,
means the database should be in online. Yes.
should have to be on. So would you show that, as in general, an example, when you're gonna do the restore, will you take the
While discussing,
database
yes, yes,
offline?
yes.
Yeah,
Of course, what is there now? I just
okay,
keep the database offline, right? In the same way, we'll do the
yeah.
offline. Yeah,
And do
take
you,
offline, bring online.
and
Yes,
and and at a work and at Workfront, do you get these kind of requests on
yes,
general
yes.
purpose, like to take the data offline?
Mm. Yes, we'll get the requests. We'll get the decommission requests and all.
Uh,
Usually, like once you get the decommission request, what we'll do is we'll immediately delete the database. Before deleting, we'll keep the database offline for 1 day, 2 days. See, if we delete the
okay,
database, it will be difficult to restore again. Okay,
restore.
it will
Yeah,
take time. Okay, but instead of deleting the database, we'll monitor for 2 3 days or 1 week in case any users
yeah.
complaints, as this database is offline. If any users complaints, then we are going to bring the database online. If no users are complaining about the database, after 1 week of cooling period, we are going to completely remove the database.
When you say decommission, you get the request to decommission
Yes,
the
yes,
database or the
yes.
server, because we
Depends.
generally
See,
do decommission the servers, right?
there are two types of requests. We'll get a request for decommission of database, decommission of server also. You have to be very careful.
Yeah,
Decommission of database means you
yeah,
have to simply delete the database. Okay. Decommission of server means
right.
you have to simply remove the whole instance.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But
Okay,
for everything, you will get the request. In case if the user is not clear about his requirement, you can ping
yeah,
him and you can ask him what is his requirement
yeah,
exactly. Okay.
right.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay, cool.
So once you
And one
created,
more question,
yes.
actually, you said, sorry, one more question. You said when you're taking the database offline, there's a
Mhm.
cooling period for like a week.
Yes.
Can,
Yes.
in that sense, can we keep the data for as long as we want? Like, we can keep that offline, not in an online state, but can we keep that, or do we have to, kind of get rid of it?
No, it's your wish, but usually there are some policies, right? We are going to follow the organization policies. Some organization will ask us to directly delete the database as we'll maintain the backups and all.
Okay.
Some organization will go for better
Yeah.
go for a cooling period, 1 week like that. If no user complaints, we can delete the
Yeah.
database. Depends on the safety situation. Always as a DBS, we have to think about the database safety. That's it.
Okay, cool. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Okay. So any other questions, please? Right. Fine.